nervous. Actually, I didn't videotape it. I was beating on some rock over there with the sledgehammer, breaking it up. I really thought it was ledge. I thought we were out of luck, but looks like we made out pretty good, so that's cool. That rock down there is a problem right now. We run our well pipe. It's pretty deep. Worst case, we can insulate it. But we're trying to get that rock out of there. Or dig around it. Look down there, we get our pitless adapter all set up in our well. With the well pipe here, the wire, and we're just trying to get that rock out so we can have a nice consistent, I guess, 5 feet. I think we can dig right to the side of that rock. It should be fine. But that's what we got going on today. We set up our well, and then we're gonna probably maybe tomorrow or later on today, we're gonna level the slab area. It's pretty level, but we are off a couple of inches. We get the transit set up so we know where our high points are, our low points, and we're just gonna level that ground. So we'll do that too. We'll get that done definitely either today or tomorrow. But definitely a good step here. We're getting this trench done. This end, you see we got our pipe all plumbed in here, all ready to go. We got our adapter on. We don't have the well pump in there yet, but we'll be set up for it. And we're well underneath the top of the soil, so we shouldn't have to worry about frost, but we are going to insulate this. It's foam insulation. Right, the trench is dug. Now we're gonna run our wire and our pipe, put some foam insulation, and then we'll be done. Fill it back in. Nice, we got plenty of pipe. It was donated to us. Plenty of wire that was donated to us. We're good to go. All right, so we're going to cut up our foam insulation, insulate this trench, and we're going to backfill it. Pretty good.
All right, turn it back. Yeah. Like for that seam is if you wanted to put it and then reach it out. I'm thinking one where you stand it, or are you good?
Yeah. Did I get it? Yeah, some pieces broke, but I'm not really sweating it. We're overlapping the seams anyway, should be fine. Now we're gonna throw the bucket on and fill this trench. Battery died. So we get the well trench filled in. As you can see here, it's all filled in. It's kind of just a mound right now. I'm not really finishing it off. I got it covered. That's good enough. We're gonna have a utility room over here. It's gonna be 8 by 8. We gotta dig this out. We gotta take the topsoil off. We gotta take a foot out of it so we can get gravel in there so we can compact it. But I just wanted to show you what we got going on here. We filled in the trench up to this point. I gotta get a 3/4 inch piece of PVC and run it down so we can protect this wire, and then we'll fill it back. We'll fill it in totally. Once we get that pipe, we'll fill this trench in all the way, and we'll be done. The next step will be to get our well pump put in and run it down. I'm not sure exactly how many feet yet, but we got water at 40 feet, so But all right, that's it, I guess. Get that trench filled in, we get something accomplished, and next step, we're gonna clear out that pad. All right, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos.